Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video will explore the fascinating world of naturally boosting testosterone through simple lifestyle changes. Testosterone, often called the male hormone, plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being for both men and women. From enhancing muscle mass and strength to improving mood and cognitive function, maintaining optimal testosterone levels is vital to feeling your best. Low testosterone levels can cause fatigue, low libido, and muscle loss, significantly impacting daily life. Addressing these challenges is essential to ensuring optimal health and vitality. Importance of testosterone for overall health and well-being. Testosterone is a hormone produced primarily in the testicles for men and in the ovaries for women, although women have much lower levels. It is responsible for various bodily functions, including regulating sex drive, bone density, muscle mass, fat distribution, and red blood cell production. Optimal testosterone levels are essential for maintaining energy, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Benefits of increasing testosterone levels naturally. Increasing testosterone levels naturally can provide many benefits beyond physical changes. Improved mood, increased motivation, and enhanced cognitive function are positive outcomes associated with optimal testosterone levels. Additionally, boosting testosterone can increase muscle mass, strength, and endurance, making it easier to achieve fitness goals and maintain a healthy weight. This video will explore simple lifestyle changes that can help naturally increase testosterone levels. From dietary adjustments and exercise routines to stress management techniques and sleep hygiene practices, we will provide actionable tips to optimize your hormonal health. We aim to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to make positive changes in your life to support healthy testosterone levels and overall well-being. So, if you're ready to take control of your hormonal health and unlock the benefits of optimal testosterone levels, stay tuned for the rest of this video as we delve into practical strategies for boosting testosterone naturally through lifestyle changes. Let's get started on this transformative journey together. The power of regular exercise. Regular exercise is essential for physical fitness, significantly boosts testosterone levels, and improves overall health. Engaging in consistent physical activity can have a profound impact on hormonal balance, leading to increased testosterone production and a range of health benefits. Types of exercises for boosting testosterone. Certain exercises efficiently boost testosterone levels. Strength training, such as weightlifting and bodyweight exercises, stimulates testosterone production by challenging the muscles and promoting muscle growth. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is another effective form of exercise that can help boost testosterone levels, improve cardiovascular health, and increase metabolic rate. Incorporating compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses into your workout routine can also positively impact testosterone levels. Frequency and duration of exercise. Regular physical activity is recommended to optimize testosterone levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, in addition to 2 or more days of strength training. Consistency is vital when reaping the benefits of exercise on testosterone levels, so establishing a regular workout routine is crucial for long-term success. Examples of exercise routines for viewers. To help you incorporate exercise into your daily life and boost testosterone levels, here are a few examples of exercise routines that you can try. 1. Full body strength training routine. Squats, 3 sets of 12 reps. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 10 reps. Push-ups, 3 sets of 15 reps. Pull-ups, 3 sets of 8 reps. Plank, 3 sets of 1 minute. 2. HIIT workout. Warm up. 5 minutes of jogging in place. Circuit, repeat 3 times. 30 seconds of high knees, 30 seconds of mountain climbers, 30 seconds of burpees, cool down, 5 minutes of stretching. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. We'll go over some unique recipes next. Nourish your body with a nutrient-rich diet. In this segment, we will explore the role of a nutrient-rich diet in enhancing testosterone production and supporting overall hormonal balance. Essential nutrients and foods for healthy testosterone levels. Zinc is a crucial mineral that has been linked to testosterone levels, with studies showing that zinc deficiency can lead to decreased testosterone production. Zinc-rich foods include oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas. Vitamin D is another essential nutrient that plays a role in testosterone synthesis, and sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts can also support testosterone levels and overall health. Practical tips for meal planning and food choices. When planning your meals to support healthy testosterone levels, incorporate various nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Include a balance of lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible and limit your intake of sugary snacks, refined grains, and processed foods that can disrupt hormonal balance. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can negatively impact hormone production. Testosterone-boosting recipes and meal ideas. To help you nourish your body with testosterone-boosting foods, here are a few recipe ideas that are easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. 1. Grilled salmon with asparagus and quinoa. Marinate salmon fillets in lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. Grill the salmon until cooked and serve with roasted asparagus and a side of quinoa. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, while asparagus and quinoa provide additional nutrients for hormonal balance. 2. Chickpea and spinach curry. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a pan until fragrant. Add chickpeas, diced tomatoes, spinach, and curry spices to the pan. Simmer until the flavors meld together and serve over brown rice. Chickpeas are a good source of zinc, while spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals that support testosterone production. Strength training secrets. In this segment, we will uncover strength training secrets for optimizing testosterone levels and promoting muscle growth. Strength training, or resistance training, is a powerful tool for enhancing hormonal balance, increasing testosterone production, and achieving a muscular, lean physique. By incorporating strength training into your fitness routine, you can unlock many benefits beyond just physical appearance. Benefits of strength training for testosterone production. Strength training has been shown to directly impact testosterone levels, making it an essential component of any hormone-optimizing regimen. When you engage in resistance exercises challenging your muscles, your body releases testosterone to support muscle repair and growth. Over time, consistent strength training can increase testosterone production, improve muscle mass, and enhance overall strength and performance. Proper techniques and form for effective strength training. It is crucial to perform exercises with proper techniques and form to maximize the benefits of strength training and optimize testosterone levels. Focus on using controlled movements, maintaining good posture, and engaging the targeted muscles throughout each repetition. Start with lighter weights to master the movements and gradually increase the resistance as you build strength. Remember to breathe steadily and avoid using momentum to lift weights, which can compromise form and increase the risk of injury. Sample strength training workout plan for beginners. If you're new to strength training and looking to kickstart your fitness journey, here's a sample workout plan that you can follow to build muscle, boost testosterone levels, and improve overall strength. Day 1. Upper body, bench press. 3 sets of 10 reps, bent over rows. 3 sets of 12 reps, shoulder press. 3 sets of 10 reps, bicep curls. 3 sets of 12 reps, tricep dips. 3 sets of 10 reps. Day 2. Lower body, squats. 3 sets of 12 reps, deadlifts. 3 sets of 10 reps, lunges. 3 sets of 12 reps per leg, leg press. 3 sets of 10 reps, calf raises. 3 sets of 15 reps. Day 3. Rest or active recovery, e.g., light cardio or yoga. Repeat the upper body and lower body workouts on alternating days, allowing for adequate rest and recovery between sessions. As you progress, you can increase your strength training exercises intensity, volume, and weight to continue challenging your muscles and stimulating testosterone production. Importance of regular exercise, nutrient-rich diet, and strength training. Regular exercise, such as strength training and high-intensity interval training, is crucial in boosting testosterone levels and promoting hormonal balance. Pairing exercise with a nutrient-rich diet rich in zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids can further optimize testosterone production and support hormonal health. Long-term benefits of adopting lifestyle changes. By committing to a lifestyle that prioritizes regular exercise, healthy eating, and strength training, you can experience many long-term benefits beyond physical appearance. Suppose you found the information shared valuable and actionable. In that case, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from learning about natural testosterone enhancement. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey, and we look forward to supporting you on your path to optimal hormonal health.